Thanks for tuning into Stocks with Antonio. Wanted to get on here Sunday night, make a video. Forgive me if you hear my nose. I got really bad allergies. Let me know down in the comments below if you suffer from allergies like I do. Pollen's kicking my butt. But yes, it looks like right now the market's going to be pulling back. Right now, things might change by tomorrow when the market opens Monday, right? But things are getting worse with the war with Iran, and this may last longer than expected. And you're already seeing some of the effects from the war. Gas prices are getting really high, and we just have a lot of things going on. But when there's chaos, it creates opportunity. Whenever there's markets that you see things pull back, those are opportunities. A lot of people have built wealth when we've gone through recessions, when we had the housing crash, because you're getting assets at great discounts. And when the market recovers, which it will, you're going to benefit from if you're buying good stocks. Now, the key is what I just said, good stocks, right? So investing is important if you're making good investments. And in downturns, it's a really good opportunity. So I would say if you have the ability to invest long term into good assets, we're getting the opportunities right now. Now, I don't know how low things are going to go, right? So that's why I say nimble, but try to dollar cost average. If the market continues to pull back, try to get more. Try to increase your share in good companies. Now, if you've been following the channel, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing. I've been bringing some really good stocks. Some of the stocks I've been talking about have right now, even though the market's pulling back, they're actually going up. One of them is Netflix, right? A lot of investors were concerned with the Warner Brothers deal. They ended up not going through. And it's not the first time Netflix has had some issues. They always end up overcoming it and going higher. You had an opportunity to buy Netflix under $80 a share. Now it's basically at $100. And I believe it's going to go higher. I believe Netflix is still at a good entry point. And if it does start to pull back, to buy some more. Now, that's just my opinion, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I wanted to get on here just to share basically what I'm doing with my portfolio and how I see things. So anything I say is not a suggestion for you buy, hold, or sell. It's not a suggestion for you to invest, but I like sharing what I'm doing. Also, another stock that I think is going to be a great opportunity to dollar cost average in is Amazon. Amazon, SoFi, right? And these are just some of the companies that I see opportunity right now. And if they continue to pull back, I'm going to be investing some more money into them. Another one that a lot of people were concerned about that was really popular in 2025 is HIMS. They were having some legal issues, and then we got some good news, and boom, it's exploded. So even though in this downturn, there are some stocks going up, and obviously, if you're in, what Exxon, oil, right, gas, energy, they're doing really well, and some stocks actually do really well during wars. Now, I'm not really looking to go after stocks that do really well during times of war and things like that. I'm just looking for opportunities on the pullbacks, and the reason is I'm not looking for the ones that are running up because I think the individuals are benefiting on the stocks that are going up. And when there's hard times like this, like when there's war, companies that do well during wars and things, I think people that really benefited are benefiting from the stocks that already had it, right? They bought it when they were a lot lower. They've been holding it, and right now, unfortunately, because we're going through war and things like that, they've skyrocketed a lot higher, and they could, if they wanted, take some profit and benefit from this jump. But the reason they're benefiting right now, right, is because they bought a while back ago. I don't want to buy things that are running up right now because let's say the war's over, gas prices start to go down, these stocks are going to pull back. So basically what you want to be looking for is opportunity. What are the stocks that are getting beaten down? What are stocks that are making newer lows? Right. And it's not just any stock. If you see a stock that's come down quite a bit, you want to see why it's coming down. It's coming down with the market. How's that company's earnings? Have they been beating expectations or the revenues? When it comes to revenue, is it increasing? Are they expected to continue growth? What's their future guidance? And that's why I talked about some of the ones I think are winners. Netflix, I expect to continue to grow. I expect to continue to see its revenue increase. I expect it to continue to dominate. So I think Netflix is going to go a lot higher with the years. Same thing with Amazon, same thing with SoFi. I'm seeing these as opportunities. So as they're pulling back, I want to get into these. I'm not really looking to get into the ones that are running up because I'm talking about long-term investing. So if you have the ability to invest and you don't need the money right now and you can wait 5 years or longer, these are going to be good opportunities where you're really going to see your portfolio grow down the road, as long as you're buying good ones, right? Now, I get it. Some of you, hey, want to make money short term with how the market is very volatile, very risky. Now, sometimes I do try to make money in the market quickly, but what I do is options or I do options, I'll do calls or puts, but I look to get in and out. I'm not trying to hold anything right now overnight just because we have so much going on. But I wanted to make this video to share my opinion that I'm actually seeing opportunities as this stock market continues to pull back. If you're like, hey, I'm not sure what he's saying, go ahead and do some research. Go ahead and use the internet. Look at when we've had other pullbacks and look into if we've recovered. Look at companies that pull back like back then, where they are today. Look at some of those things from the past that may help you make a decision in investing today. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead, smash the like button. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to see you subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't done so, check out the description box. Got some useful links in there for you if you're interested in charts and learning about candles. So definitely don't forget to check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.